DMO Online Television rates this program as TVMA. It is intended to be viewed by mature adult audiences, and may be unsuitable for children under 17 as it might contain strong political themes, gestures, and body actions.
Omuganda ganti ubuuko urine n'olinya mu pi. If Museveni listens to opposition nga bawa sente, why don't I join the opposition nange bampe sente? Kubanga kakati nkozesa zange mala time gye nalinonyezaamu sente zange nenoonya ki tewali. They don't give me because they want to put me like Olugosi in their underparts.
Names eyo ogamba mu Uganda muli opposition. Ate opposition kijjoba ogendo joining.
They don't have their money. I don't have their money. They cannot give me money because they want me to be controlled like a testicles in somebody's pants, which I cannot.
I see.
I know kubera wansi omuntu tumufuge ngufugani. Nze toyinza kumfuga. But you cannot defend. Defending am I a mercenary? If I was a mercenary, what does he give me? Bampadde ki? Tewali kye bampadde. Everything has been effectively sabotaged. Mbongende mbajoyo ninge mbafukamire sibafukamirako. If you bring an appointed later in my family, tibampa kwa minister, bane nkutira mu smash your head. Bacha kuduka. What did happen? What happened to Muwanga when he overthrew but it's going to happen here? Mucha kurabanga baduka ngebizimbe byako muri. Ababbi babamanyi. Ugandan is not the civils.
Of course.
Bagula besije ne bagula ba leaders bona ba Bobi Wine. Yes. If you buy opposition leaders, you are risking having a headless revolution.
I see.
You will get a headless revolution. You will lose people to talk to.
I see.
Mubagule kakati ekyokubiri bwe bamala obbali ako sente ffe be batawadde nti nze kwe batawadde sente. I should come and fight Besigye. I should come and fight Bobi Wine. For what? Museveni ampa sente mmeka n'emmotoka nze njeeteramu amafuta. I put a fuel in my vehicle. I pay lunch for my driver. I even pay allowances for my security people.
I see.
Bampaki. Do they pay me for these programs I make? They're depleting my family resources. What do they give me? Nothing. This government is not facilitating me at all. It has come a time. It comes a time when things are not defendable.
Of course.
Yes, because I cannot close to the opposition, but I will go home and sleep. There are things when it comes. You see, if you want to retain your dignity, when you want to retain respect in society, there are things you don't defend. Katonda atuwadde omukisa okubuulira abasajja bano nti ejjoogo lyabwe obusuma bwabwe bwe banaaba tebabukutteeko gavumenti egudde.
Nevu mu lunaku lwe nakwata kabuta mu ngalo bwe lwavaako ebizibweko eminsuze ennyala nakula neegomba pulezidenti omutuuka bwe namukwata mu ngalo wange nasifuna bizibu kadira bye yali ayimba nga basasula ekansula nakumbalaza katimbo nabona lwe twava mu tuleekera ne rodi yanguba kabanangira ensimbi tiwampa mudidi kitovaayo noolako ensibisi yanga kuzizo omwana gwange bubonaabona babo baligeta lowooza ekirooto kyammwe kyali kyakumpunzika kyokka benaalemu matidde muli bazibu.